So this is house price prediction project. This is the abstract of our project. Here we propose the system to predict the house price by using the machine learning with the help of artificial neural network algorithm. By predicting the house prices, we can display it by using a website that was developed by us locally. Just move on to the project. Open the Anaconda prompt. I'm just opening the Anaconda prompt. Now you create a environment by conda create -n house price. Use the version Python 3.6.7 which was compatible with this project. I'm just creating an environment named house price. The environment is being created. Wait for a few minutes. Just maximizing it. Just press Y and enter. You can see the environment is just created. Just activate that environment by using the following command. Activate house price, and now just enter. Now just move on to the file where the source code was present. Just copy the address and paste it here. Now just install the requirements by using the following command. Just pip install -r requirement.txt. It will automatically download the required files which was been necessary for the project to run. You can see all the requirement libraries being installed here. It may take some time, you have to hold on. According to your system specifications, it may take time differently. Okay, we are successfully installed all the requirements. Now just run the main file python manage.py, and so I'm just running it. Oh yeah, it ran perfectly. Just copy the URL and paste it in any web browser. I'm just pasting here. Now you can see our local host website which was being hosted. This is a filter search bar. Now just giving Chennai, Tamil Nadu, price range. This was the house which was available by using the filters. I'm just giving home. This was the available house, and here you can see this is sold. We can run it by using a special user called super user. We can just move on to the topping slash. For creating a special user, you have to give port. Now we can see a username and password here. We must create a username and password before moving to there. I'm just stopping the server and creating a super user. For creating a super user, use the following command: python manage.py. This is the command which was used to create a super user. After typing it, just press enter. It might ask for a username, password, etc. Just hold on. oops. Yeah, it was asking for a username. I am just giving house, enter email address house at gmail.com, 123, password 123. Just pressing enter, it shows that this password is too short, this password is too common, this password is entirely numeric. Okay, no problem. Anyway, this is for a demo purpose. I'm just giving us super user created successfully. Now just move on here and type house and 123 password. I'm just logging in by using that password. Oh sorry, we have to run server before coming here. Just run the server. Yeah, it ran perfectly. Just refresh the page. Yeah, you can see the super user house, change password, log out, view site. If you want to modify anything, you can modify here. If the admin want to display the house as sold, just come here and just enter sold. Just give save, it will be saved as sold. We can view it in our website. Just go back and press enter. Now you can see the house was being sold. That's it for the project.